Hello guys, welcome to my next video. Today I'm gonna take you to the one of the most beautiful waterfall of Nepal. Without delay, let's begin the video. This is Narchyang Fall. It is located in Annapurna rural municipality of Magdi district. It is one of the most beautiful waterfall in Nepal. That's why every year many external and internal tourists visit this site. It is 307.5 km away from Kathmandu and takes around 10 hours to reach, as well as it is 107 km away from Pokhara and it takes around 4 hours to reach. It is located in altitude of 1400 meter above the sea level and has height of 300 meter. There is a small temple on the base of this waterfall named Pumethan, where villagers worshipped in jest and ashar. Let's have a look how this Narchyang Waterfall look like. Now we will search it in Google Map and exactly we find where it is. Finally, it is one of the most beautiful waterfall of Nepal. Don't forget to visit this site. We'll certainly meet in another video. Bye bye, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like and to share. Okay, bye bye.